Two parts of the home buying process I get questions about a lot are the inspection and the appraisal. So let me give you a quick explainer. First, the home inspection. Once you're under contract on a home, this is how you're going to learn the details about its condition. An inspector will write up a report on the HVAC, the roof, and everything in between. We can use that to get a clearer picture of what you're buying and to negotiate potential repairs with the seller. Second, the appraisal. It tells you and your lender the home's value. This protects you from overpaying and the bank from lending you more than the home is worth. And if there's any gap between the contract price and the appraisal, we'll navigate closing it together. Have questions about other home buying terms or steps? Let me know what I can clear up next.